My name is Ifeanyichukwu. I'm from Anambra State. I'm 24 years old. I'm into automobile. It's my dream from childhood to be one of Nigeria's car producer. Actually, this took me 9 months to make this car. It's not that I cannot do it within 2 months or a month. It's because of financial incapability. I have to hustle for money. This engine, I got it from a bike. It's a bike engine. And some parts here, it's like I got it from different diverse recycles. The tires for Keke and the engine. And this steering, I have to customize this. This is the suspension system. This hydraulic system, the brake system here. This canvas. I constructed this canvas. This is the dashboard. I have to customize this dashboard from Keke NAPEP. I have to cut it to the shape that I want. This engine have up to 120 capacity, the RPM. Then the fuel consumption is very low, very low. Like normal fuel I put in this vehicle is just 200. From here to TBS, Daleki side, 200 naira fuel, petrol. That is normal thing I buy, normal petrol that I buy. So the fuel consumption is very low. People so much believe on me more than I believe myself. You know, sometimes I used to get discouraged, but once I drive out, what I'm seeing from people gives me another motivation. You know, for you to be doing all this without a sponsor or anything, sometimes we think that you're using your small token of money you are getting to do all these things, while your country is not encourageable at all. You'll be somehow discouraged. While your mates are using the money to buy clothes, buy phones, fresh their life, me, I will just be thinking about new innovations, how to build latest car with new designs and mechatronics system. My main challenge here is lack of financial incapability. You get? So, and another one is education. I think for me to be perfect in mechanical engineering, it shouldn't be something that I'll be doing with O level.